How to mine Pepe Coins and earn money. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, and in the source bar, search for coinmarketcap.com. It will land you on this official page. Scroll all the way down and you'll get to see all the overview. You have to copy this contract's ID. Now you can go back and head over to any of the wallet that you have. Let me head over to Trust Wallet. Enter your login credential and make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Now what you want to do is head over to browser at the bottom right corner. And then head over to pancakeswap.finance. It will land you on this interface. Move into liquidity. Now click on add liquidity. You need to make sure that you have selected Ethereum. And instead of PancakeSwap, you have to select Pepe Coins. And then you have to paste the contract address. And with the help of this liquidity pool, you will be able to earn. And you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can mine Pepe Coins and earn money. Make sure to smash the like button and please subscribe if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.